Hi guys, so we're gonna show you a demo video of our VE Series 2 unit that just got released. We've installed it, everything's done. We'll just turn on the car to see how quick it'll turn on. Instant, basically that is instant, and this is our VE Series 2, so that's a second version that we've released, and I'll take you through all the options of it. Okay guys, let's go and have a look at some of these options. I am inside a warehouse where everything is concrete, but I will go from the navigation. We'll start with navigation and see if I pick up any signal. Obviously I can show you guys the navigation options. Excuse me guys, sorry. You can see it says looking for GPS signal. Just because we're inside a warehouse, it tries that, but everything should come up as it is. That's your map. Obviously you can zoom in, zoom out, and then you've got your GPS settings that you can go into and set it to kilometers, miles, and all of that changes that you can make. You can set up things like avoiding tollways and all of that. Now let's go back home, close that GPS. Next option is video, guys. So video means you can have it on your USB or whatever there is. If there's any internal video in here, I can show you the quality of the video.
Yep. Warehouse.
So we just gotta find
it.
Brilliant quality, guys. Crystal clear, perfect picture. I'll just put the volume down. Beautiful. Now let's go back. The next one. Okay guys, the next option that I want to show you guys is the phone option. So that's your Bluetooth. Basically go on your phone, go to your setting, or go search from the device itself as well, the unit. Go to your Bluetooth, make sure it's on. Name of device is car kit blink, and that number there. So that's my iPhone there. It instantly picks it up. You just select that, or you just hold it and just say okay. So you select it from your phone as well. Ask you for a pin. The pin number is already there, usually 4 zeros. Pair it up, pair success. Now obviously if I make any phone calls, receive any phone calls, I can answer it from my steering wheel. Buttons, I can hang up, I can answer phone, so I don't need to touch the unit for safety reasons. Now if you want to play music, obviously you'll have to go to your music option next to it. Just press that. And go on whatever you play from YouTube, you'll play it from wherever you want, and play music that plays directly there. So that's Bluetooth music. Just remember one thing guys, when you are connected through Bluetooth playing music, make sure that your Wi-Fi from top here is off. If your Wi-Fi is not off, you will get slight breakage in the music. So then you don't have that high quality of music through Bluetooth. If that's off, perfect guys, you'll have no issue whatsoever. So make sure that Wi-Fi is always off, okay, when you have your Bluetooth music. Alright guys, we'll get out of there. And the other thing that I wanted to show you guys, sorry, is for your phone book, make sure on your phone, iPhone, that specific connection that you have, CarBlink, Let's go to phone book, and if it's not on your phone, then it'll be here. You download your contacts, download the phone book, okay? And now it's gonna give you an option, sync contacts on your iPhone. Allow it, otherwise it will not allow the unit to read your contacts from there. Now go download again, okay? And now it gives you all the list of your contacts. So whoever calls you, you'll see their name there. So beautiful. Let's get out of there now. That's another thing that I wanted to show you guys. Let's go to our radio. Obviously, we'll do an auto scan on it. Let's go auto scan, pick up whatever channels there is. You can lock it, you can preset it, you can do whatever you want with setting a FM or AM radio. Now you can have a digital radio if you are within Australia, or if you're overseas. If you are in USA, XM radio, I believe you can download the app on your phone and have the app on there as well, and you can connect through there, and you can listen to it. Or if you cannot connect the app on the unit, download the XM radio app on your phone and connect it through Bluetooth, and you can listen to your XM radio still. Now that's our radio. Let's go back, guys. That's pretty much, you've got all your other options. There's a lot of settings, guys. If you go into your settings, you've got a lot of different settings. You can set up whatever you want, and plenty of apps in there as well. If you need to download more apps, obviously you go to your Google store and download whatever app you want there. So it's just about going through all of these, basically familiarizing yourself with it. But trust me, guys, you got more than enough there to play with. Okay, guys, the other thing that I wanted to show you guys was the AC, obviously. Now you can just touch the AC option. It does gives you a little chim ring as well, so you can it does kind of go away, but if you touch it again, it comes. You have the auto, so it is kind of touch screen, and your buttons are still working. You can change the mode of it to whatever. You can see the direction of the wind, that it shows you where it will blow air. Sorry, guys. And then you can change it from touch screen as well. It's really up to yourself. Your front windscreen, your back. The other option you guys have is single zone or dual zone. So that's now, it's dual zone. So if you change, sorry, that's a single zone that we've got it now. It'll control it from there. But if you change it from there, it becomes a dual zone. So you can change each side individually. If you wanna, you can, as I said, you can control all of these from touch screen or from the buttons, the bottoms down there as well. It's really up to yourself. You can just switch it off from there. AC, all of that. This looks amazing, guys. Great design, great work, guys. I'm absolutely in love with it. Perfect work what they've done. Now what I'll do, I'll turn this off so I can talk to you guys. Beautiful. Let's go to the next option. So that's the speed there, and that's your rev. You got both of them on there as well. So if I was to just, you can see that's lifting as well. So you've got that sitting there as well. Like I said, I'm absolutely in love with what they've came up with. The software of it, it's great, guys. Or if you don't want to have that, you can obviously get rid of it and just have it on that screen for your music and entertainment. Now if you do have a reversing camera, when you put it in reverse, it should come up. It has the guidelines, the sensors and everything. If you go, everything works, guys. This car, like I said, doesn't have currently a reversing camera, but if you were to install a reversing camera, it would come up perfectly fine as well. Now everything from your steering wheel button, guys, it works just like factory. All of your other buttons work as well. That's mute button for your music, or you can just unmute it. Your hazard lights, your volume works from there, your steering wheel as well. Or if you want to do it from the touch screen, you can do it from your touch screen as well. You've got 3 different options there. You've got plenty of options, guys, in there. Just play around with it. Just one more important thing that I did want to mention to you guys. if you have any difficulty installing this, or if you have any questions about the setting of it, please go ahead and message our Facebook team first. If it's anything urgent, you can always give us a call on 1300-396-053 or shoot us an email, either way. But the first option always is for you guys to go through Facebook, because we've got all our technicians there. They can help you through anything that you guys have. That's the way that it goes, and it's the easiest way and the quickest way that you guys can get response. But anything else, guys, please don't hesitate to contact us, and we'll be there to help you. Thanks, guys.